The Ukrainian Defense Forces have begun military trials of the Black Widow II, a new unmanned surface vehicle designed for reconnaissance and offensive operations. Developed by the Brave 1 technology cluster, this small, lightweight vessel is built to counter Russian forces in riverine environments, specifically on the Dnipro River. Measuring just 1 meter in length and weighing only 8 kilograms, the Black Widow II is an agile and fast platform, capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour and operating within a range of 10 kilometers. Its rechargeable onboard battery allows it to remain operational for several hours, and when needed, it can enter standby mode for extended periods, lying in wait for its next mission. Equipped with a rotating gimbal-mounted camera, the Black Widow II provides real-time reconnaissance capabilities, offering both day and night surveillance to enhance situational awareness. It can carry a payload of up to 3 kilograms, allowing it to deliver explosive charges capable of neutralizing small enemy vessels or equipment. The USV can also be used as a kamikaze platform, targeting and destroying Russian assets operating along the Dnipro River. The Black Widow II was created in response to the strategic need to disrupt Russian troop movements on the river's islands. Currently, 2 Ukrainian brigades are testing the vehicle in operational conditions. The developers are also working on enhancing the platform's capabilities, including a mine-clearing version and a larger model for expanded use. Rivers like the Dnipro have become critical elements of the ongoing conflict, serving as both obstacles and vital strategic routes. Controlling river crossings is key to military success, with the destruction of bridges disrupting supply lines and hindering troop movements. Russia has also targeted these crossings to stall Ukrainian advances, such as the destruction of the Kakhovka Dam, which caused widespread flooding and significantly impacted military operations. In this complex environment, the Black Widow II stands out as a powerful new tool for Ukrainian forces. Its small size, versatility, and precision make it an ideal solution for outmaneuvering enemy forces on the river, offering a tactical edge in the fight for control over Ukraine's waterways.